you know, it all depends on what is this guy doing? What the fuck? What the fuck is this guy doing? What the fuck is this guy doing? I don't know what this guy's doing, but that shit's all on camera right here, bud. Your fucking camera right here, motherfucker. You dumbass. What's he doing though? He's like not going around. Like just go around. You're stupid. That dude's mental. What the fuck? What is it about cars lately, man? The last few rides that we've went on, you guys are fucking nuts, man. Calm down. Just calm down. You'll get there. Now we're like behind this guy.